Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of a fascinating industrial process, the making of ball bearings. These seemingly small components play a crucial role in countless machines, from your bicycle to industrial machinery. So, buckle up as we explore the intricate world of ball bearing manufacturing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest content. Our journey begins with the raw materials. Ball bearings are commonly made from high-quality steel, often alloyed with elements like chrome for enhanced durability. These materials ensure that the bearings can withstand the demands of various applications. The steel undergoes a forging process to give it the desired shape. After that, the bearings are subjected to heat treatment, a critical step to enhance their hardness and toughness. This ensures that the bearings can withstand heavy loads and harsh operating conditions. Now, the bearings move to the precision machining stage. CNC machines are used to turn the rough blanks into perfectly shaped components. Subsequently, grinding processes ensure the desired surface finish and dimensional accuracy. Once the individual components are ready, it's time for assembly. Automated assembly lines ensure efficiency and precision. Tiny balls are inserted between the races, and cages are installed to keep the balls evenly spaced for optimal performance. Quality control is paramount in ball bearing manufacturing. Various tests, such as dimension checks, hardness tests, and surface finish inspections, are conducted to ensure that each bearing meets strict quality standards. Lubrication is the final step before packaging. Proper lubrication ensures smooth operation and prolongs the life of the bearings. Different types of lubricants are used based on the application requirements. And there you have it, the incredible journey of how ball bearings are made in factories. From raw materials to precision engineering, every step plays a crucial role in producing these indispensable components. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content. Until next time, stay curious.